Hey, what's up people, welcome to this tutorial, the first hacking tutorial on iCodeForX. So in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to hunt down a social media account using a tool called Sherlock. A Sherlock is a kind of tool that allows us to access username of any account. Like, I will just type in the username and it searches the database, as it searches the internet for any username with that particular username I was searching for. So this will help us get some information about the person. Like, now you only know a person through Twitter and you want to get to know more. When you search for username, you can find the person's username on Instagram, on Facebook, meaning you are going to know more about the user. So I'm right here, I'm in the GitHub page of Sherlock. It is Sherlock underscore hyphen project slash Sherlock. Now what, this link will be in the description below. So the first thing we need to do is clone this. So all you need to do is copy this and open your Git. I hope you have Git installed in your system. Alright, you just open your Git. Well, I've got Git installed already. And I've installed Sherlock already. So alright, yeah, already exists. This is what I should be getting because I have installed it already. So the next thing we need to do is we need to cd into the Sherlock. So the next thing we do is cd Sherlock. Alright, so I'm in the folder right now, and the next thing we need to do is install the requirements by typing python m.is to install the requirements. Oh sorry, Python 3. Mine doesn't use Python 3, it uses Python, even though I use the latest version. Alright, so just click in. Alright, hold on. Well, I have installed this already. It shouldn't install anything else, but let's give it a wait. Alright, you can see requirements satisfied, blah 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 blah. So that means I have it installed already. So the next we need to do is just let me type in python Sherlock. Oh sorry, dot py. Alright, now we should be getting the help. So the first thing I'm going to be looking at is the username. So for us to do that, we are going to be scanning through a username called the precious. That is my username. So I have to do python Sherlock .py. Then my username is the precious underscore. So when I click enter, it should start scanning. So we are just gonna wait for a minute for it to scan finish. Okay, you can see scanning. I think I found something here. Let me check this out. Okay, no, but maybe the person using that username is not me, and I'm not from the person country either. So let me go back to it and check the others. Alright, let me check this again. I didn't remember creating that account, so let me check it out. Page not found. Right, close this. Well, it's still scanning. Let's wait for. Okay, it is done. We've seen this, so let me check this again. I didn't remember creating an account for this either, so this is not me. Alright. Yeah, this is totally me. This is me. This should be me. Yeah, alright, this is my Twitter account. Don't forget to follow. Got that right. I didn't create this account, no. Yeah, yes, this is me right here. Okay. Alright, yeah, this is me. So this is basically how it works. This is basically how it works. So I hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm not responsible for any damage you make with this. I just render the tutorial. So please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. Thanks.